How to use TradingView. You can see the price of anything with this software. You can analyze it according to the complete price history. So this is the most important software that you should use to trade. So let me teach you how to use this software. First of all, you have to go to tradingview.com. You have to go to More, go to Downloads, and click on the desktop app. If you have Windows, then download for Windows. If you have Mac, then download for Mac. Download it. When the download is complete, click on Installer and install. When Trading Boot is installed, you have to sign up. You can sign up with your Google account, Facebook, etc. Let's start how to use TradingView. On the top left, you will see a symbol or ticker. It is a symbol of anything to identify its price chart. If I want to see the Ethereum chart, I click here and search for Ethereum. I can see the symbol here, ETHUSDT. This is the price chart of Ethereum. I clicked on it, and now I am on the Ethereum price chart on the right side. This is the price scale. The highlighted one is the current price. Here you can see the dotted line. This is the current price. Next thing is the time frame. The chart that I can see is on time. I am on daily time frame. That means every candle that I can see here represents one day. Here I can change it. Here I can select any time. Here I have the option of minutes, hours, and days. And if I want to see the 4-hour chart, I have clicked on 4 hours. So each candle represents 4 hours. If I want to go to the 1-minute chart, then I have selected 1 minute. Each candle represents 1 minute. So from here you can select the time frame. On the left side, you have all the drawing tools. You can draw trend lines from here. You can draw different lines from here to perform your analysis on the chart. Next is alerts. Alerts means that you should be informed whenever the price reaches anything, like if Ethereum goes to $2,300, then you should be informed. So you have to go to price scale where it is 2,300. Here you have to click on plus and click on add an alert. As soon as the price of Ethereum goes to 2,300, it will inform you through TradingView notification. Next are some basic steps. If you want to reset the chart, then right-click on the chart view and click on Reset Chart View. You can adjust the chart in any way. You can also adjust the price scale by dragging it, and you can also set the horizontal scale. On the horizontal scale, you can see the dates here. What was the price on which day? Go to the right panel and click on the clock icon. All alerts are active here. The alerts that are going to be hit will be displayed here. The alerts that are hit and informed will be displayed here. Go to the Object View data window and click on the data window. The candle you click on, you will see all the information about its price. So friends, these were all the basics of TradingView, how to use it.